gorgeous. Beautiful, gorgeous, baby. Melted. This is still a glueless unit, so you can definitely still take it off, take it on, put it back on in the morning, take it off at night. We absolutely love that. This is gorgeous. I always say this hair is so easy. Just get it wet, put a little bit of product on it, or you can just wear it big, the natural curl pattern, and it looks beautiful. I absolutely love this. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look of this beautiful water wave unit. The hair has been drying for probably the last like 45 minutes, so I would say it's about 75% dry. Y'all, the full details of this unit will be down below. Coupon code will be down below as well. And I mean, y'all, get into it. Get into it, super easy. This is just one of those put on and go wigs. And once you put product in it, y'all don't have to keep putting product. You can just get it wet with water again. And trust me, your curls are gonna just pop. They're just gonna pop right back in place, okay? So you guys check out Nadula hair. The full details of this unit will be down below. And let me know what you think about it. I absolutely love it. We love a good water wave unit.